Let's take a mountain trip. With the mini railing carrier or roof carrier bars, you can easily mount the mini ski and snowboard carriers. Here we go. Unlock the ski and snowboard carrier, push the button and open it. Turn the catch to loosen the holder and slide it outwards on the carrier base up to the stop. Find the hexagonal side with the included special torque wrench. This side stays up when inserting in the sliding block. Now attach one sliding block by putting it through the opening in the carrier base from below before screwing it onto the block. Basic stuff. Push the holder back on the carrier base up to the stop. Test the correct side of the nut again before inserting it. Take the grooved side of the rubber strip and pull it up halfway out of the holder. Make sure the holes align. Attach the second sliding block just like the first one. Great! Now let's mount the ski and snowboard carrier. Unlock the railing carrier. If needed, remove the cover strip. Lift the carrier onto the roof by guiding the sliding blocks into the rail bar. Position the carrier so that the cover flap can still be operated. Listen closely. Tighten the nut on the outer sliding block with the special wrench until it clicks. Slide the holder outwards to get to the other fixing point, and tighten the nut here as well. Push the rubber strip back into the holder and turn the hatch. Fixed. Once again, attach the other carrier in the same way. To load your skis or snowboard onto the carrier, slide both holders outwards. Put in your device, slide the holders back in, lock both catches to fix the holders, and close the carriers firmly. Play it safe. You can lock the carrier with the key. With the mini ski and snowboard carrier, you can transport up to 5 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.